Hello! In this tutorial we are going to explore how to scroll a text on the I2C liquid crystal display. For this project you will need a liquid crystal I2C display, some jumper wires, Arduino board and Visuino program. Wire everything according to this schematic. First go to Visuino and download and install Visuino program. Start Visuino and select the board. In our case it is Arduino Uno. Add clock generator component. Select the component and in the properties window set frequency to 3. This will be the speed of the moving text. You can adjust this number to your needs. Now add clock multi-source component. Add formatted text component. Select formatted text 1 and in the properties window select text and set %0, %1. Now double click on the formatted text 1 and in the elements window drag text element to the left side and in the properties window set the initial value to the text that you want to scroll on the LCD display. Add another text element and in the properties window set length to 20. This is the length of your LCD display and close the elements window. Add text multi-source component. Add measure text length component. Add counter component. And in the properties window set max value to 0 and click on the value pin icon and select integer sync pin and set min value to 1. Add extract subtext component. Select subtext 1 component and in the properties window set length to 0 and click on the pin icon and select cardinal sync pin and set position to 0 and click on the pin icon and select cardinal sync pin. Also set wraparound to true. Add LCD I2C component. Select Liquid Crystal Display 1 and in the Properties window set columns to 20 and rows to 4. Double-click on the Liquid Crystal Display 1 and in the Elements window, drag text field element to the left side and in the Properties window set width to 20. And close the Elements window. Now connect clock generator 1 pin out to clock multi-source 1 pin in. Connect clock multi-source 1 pin 0 to formatted text 1 pin clock and clock multi-source 1 pin 1 to counter 1 pin in. Now connect formatted text 1 pin out to text multi-source 1 pin in. Connect text multi-source 1 pin 0 to text length 1 pin in and text multi-source 1 pin 1 to subtext 1 pin in. Connect text length 1 pin out to subtext 1 pin length and counter 1 pin value. Connect counter 1 pin out to subtext 1 pin position and connect subtext 1 pin out to Liquid Crystal Display 1 text field 1 pin in. Now connect Liquid Crystal Display 1 pin I2C to the Arduino board pin I2C. On the bottom, click on the Build tab, make sure that you selected the right board and port, and click Compile, Build and Upload button.